Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you very special things. So guys can see rice, can see the way I portion it inside the ladle. I know you people will be wondering how I portion rice like this. So guys, this is white one and this is jollof rice. Even fried rice, you can portion it like this. This is how we portion it in my hotel. So guys, the way we do it like this is too easy to serve. So when you cook your jollof rice, you allow it to cook. After cook, take white ladle and portion them. You take white ladle like this and portion them. This is one portion. If you want to serve person, you pick one like this, microwave it, add your carrot and green beans, then you serve the person. Instead of put everything inside the container, put in the fridge to block. Maybe you want to serve it, you begin struggle to break it before you serve it. It's not necessary, it's not good like that. To allow the rice to scatter and the rice to mash. So but when you portion it like this, put it in your fridge. It's not deep freezer. Put it in your fridge that to not allow it to block. But you cold, you not spoil. You put it so when you get order, when you want to serve, if na one portion, one person order, you pick one. If na two people, you pick two. Even in your house, you can do it so that it will easy for you to microwave it and eat than if you block. Before you know, you begin break it, begin keep it outside for long before you do it. It's not good. Even white rice, you pick it and put it in the fire and boil it. This parboil white rice, you just parboil it. Within done, you parboil it, then you portion it and keep. So that if order come for white rice, you pick one, you put it in the pot and add water and cook it well, and add your carrot inside and serve. And your stew can go with any meat, chicken stew, beef stew, fish stew, cow stew, any type of meat the person wants. Then you put salad by the side or plantain. The same thing with jollof rice. You serve it with any protein. Then you put salad or plantain by the side and serve the person. So this is how we portion it. I just want to share it with you guys because some people don't know that they portion rice like this and keep in the fridge. It's not freezer, it's fridge, so that it will not block, but it will cold, not spoil. And you'll be picking it one by one till serve it. If you finish, you cook again, you portion and keep. Finish again, you cook again and portion and keep, so that it will easy for you and stop stressing yourself. Maybe you cook rice, you pour everything inside the rubber and put in the fridge. Before you know, it don't block. And you want to eat rice or you have guests, you bring rice 1 hour, you are still waiting. When rice is defrost, 2 hours, you are still waiting. No. It's not good. This is the way you do it. You just pick it and microwave it. Because if you put everything inside the rubber, you can't carry everything, put for microwave and microwave it. It's not good. So but when you do it like this, microwave it and put it in your plate and serve your guests with any protein you want. It's just a simple things. So I just want to show you guys. Please try it in your home. You like it. Even if your children want to go to school or your husband want to go to office, quickly pick one, microwave it and do it sharp for them. They will go. So anything I do, I will share with you people because I love you guys. I know you guys too love me. So that is all for portion rice. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe, comment, share. And if you know, I know that you guys love me and I love you guys too. So I just want to share it to you people. We meet again in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.